Today is 27th of January 2020. This is a 2 years old male intact golden retriever.
That means not neutered, not neutered. Okay. Now the owner complained of sudden itchiness. How many? 1 week is it?
Yeah, about.
Okay. Now you can see, can you see? You see the eyes? You can see from the eyes that he been scratching his eyes. Now just hold steady.
Yeah.
So one thing about allergies, especially allergies, blood-borne allergies, you can see the eyes are itchy, and we can see from here there. Okay, that's one, and then somehow which one is itchy?
The neck.
The neck. Okay, you lift up the neck. So you've been scratching his neck, then up a bit, up some more.
Oh, that's
All red, huh? Yeah, that's scratching his neck, and then the armpit, right? The lower part also. Okay, then we come to this side. Where point it. Point for me. How long is this one? This redness here? How long? This part?
same now. 1 week.
1 week, huh? And then we go to the back. Does it bite his backside? There seems to be this. There's no hair there. This part, no hair. No hair. Okay, then we come to this side. Come, let's see. Okay, where? The hair loss and biting. It's 1 week only. Okay, and that coincides with Chinese New Year. There's a lot of celebrations and renovations. And how about below? Can you lift up the dog? The two front legs, lift up. Let me see the stomach, the belly.
Okay.
Okay, I see. We'll see from here.
That's
It's
a
really
good point.
itchy. You see the lower part is all itchy. All itchy. So do you change to dry dog food or not? Do you change not? Even armpit, even elbow also. Just show the elbow. There the elbow also. Both elbow or one elbow? Come here, show the elbow. Yeah, cannot.
No.
Okay, anyway, the elbow is also inflamed, itchy. Okay. So how long already? The 1 week? I mean, is it before Chinese New Year, right?
Yeah. Before Chinese New Year.
You all did some renovation?
Some
painting?
No painting.
Did you change the dog food? Did you change the different brand? The dry dog food? Did you change shampoo?
Shampoo. I think we did.
There's something affected the body. Really, I can go. Something affected the body. And this one, the last time you say it came was the same problem? Last month it came, right? Is it last time? See the
Last time though.
same problem?
Correct.
Same thing?
Yes, skin
yes,
problem,
that's right.
but not this
No,
one.
itchiness. Was it itchiness at that time?
It was not so bad.
Yeah, not so bad.
But
Yes.
do they have the same thing? The eyes red, eyelids swollen?
No, don't have.
Then the chest,
Don't have.
the side don't have. Where was it itchy?
The body lah.
Only body,
It was scratching the body.
Body, yeah.
Yeah.
That was lying down on the floor, right? It was lying down somewhere. Is your floor wet? Does it lie down on the grass? Grass? Does it lie down on the grass?
No.
So this is a very active dog. When did he rub his eyes? Recently? You see the eye rubbing?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
When was that? Only today? Yesterday? Rubbing the eyes?
I think usually about 3-4 days.
Okay, what dog food you are feeding now?
We are giving him the salmon.
New one, is it? Is it a new brand? A new brand?
He has eaten this before.
Or is it a new bag? You buy a new bag?
It's a new bag.
When was that? When did you buy? Recently?
Usually about one
Just
month
itchy with
ago.
your access dog.
Yeah,
But not on the around the outside.
That was underneath. What? How long was that?
1 week.
1 week ago.
And then recovered sa rat. After that treatment, recovered.
You got the
Yeah,
medication.
Yeah, with the medication.
So it's an anti-allergy medication.
Antibiotic,
Anti-allergy.
that's right, yeah.
antifungal, shampoo.
Correct. That's right. Yeah.
Did you recover 100%? Did you shave the hair board? You didn't shave?
No.
Okay, can. Anyway, this looks very much like allergy because of the eyes, the rubbing of the eyes, the ears also. You lift up the ears and see. Ears should be red, reddish. Yeah. Has it got ticks or not? They're reddish. Ticks, I said ticks.
Itchy dog. scratching though.
Checking it. How about the other ear? All these are signs of generalized systemic allergies, right? Scratching the ears, huh? So, and then the eyes. So this is definitely a acute one. That means not say a long time, just only the last few days. So as to what is the cause, then if you want, you need a blood test to check the allergens. There's one possible cause. I mean possible test. Of course, the other test is skin, the hair, checking for fungus and bacteria. So let's see what the vet says.